As a finance management expert, I often emphasize the critical link between operational efficiency and financial health. In today's fast-paced business environment, projects are the engines of growth, and how effectively they are managed directly impacts a company's bottom line. A key element in this equation is project transparency. Without a clear, real-time understanding of project progress, resource allocation, and potential roadblocks, financial forecasts become unreliable, budget spiral, and profitability suffers. This is where project management tools like ClickUp become invaluable. While often lauded for its task management and collaboration features, ClickUp also excels at fostering project transparency, which, from a financial perspective, translates into better control, more accurate forecasting, and ultimately, improved financial performance. Let's delve into how ClickUp achieves this. 1. Centralized information hub, the single source of truth. One of the biggest challenges in achieving transparency is scattered information. When project details, communications, and files are spread across emails, spreadsheets, and various individual hard drives, it's impossible to get a unified view. ClickUp addresses this by serving as a centralized information hub. Everything in one place, from task descriptions and assigned comments to attached documents and revision histories, all project-related data resides within ClickUp. This eliminates the need to hunt for information, saving valuable time and reducing the risk of working with outdated data. Version control for documentation. For finance professionals, accurate documentation is paramount. ClickUp's robust document management and version control features ensure that everyone is always working with the latest versions of contracts, budgets, and financial reports, minimizing errors and discrepancies. This is especially crucial when dealing with audits or regulatory compliance. 2. Visualizing progress, from to-do to done and the money behind it. Financial management is about tracking inflows and outflows, and in project management, this translates to understanding where resources and thus money are being spent. ClickUp's various views provide unparalleled visual clarity, making it easy to see project progress and its financial implications. Board view, Kanban. This visual workflow showcases tasks as cards moving through custom statuses, e.g., budget approved, PO issued, payment processed. For a finance team, this immediately highlights where financial approvals are pending or where a task might be stuck due to a payment bottleneck. List view offers a comprehensive, data-rich perspective. With custom fields, finance teams can add columns for budgeted cost, actual spend, invoice number, or payment due date directly within the task list. This allows for quick comparisons and identification of cost overruns or pending payments at a glance. Gantt charts. For projects with strict timelines and dependencies, Gantt charts are essential. They visually represent task durations, dependencies, and critical paths. From a financial perspective, this allows you to see how delays in one task might impact the overall project timeline and, consequently, its budget. Identifying these potential delays early allows for proactive financial adjustments. Workload view. This view is a game-changer for resource allocation. It shows who is assigned to what and their overall capacity. For finance, this directly links to personnel costs. Overallocated resources mean potential burnout and overtime, while underallocated resources indicate inefficient use of budgeted funds. This view enables finance managers to optimize resource utilization and control labor costs. 3. Real-time reporting and dashboards, the financial pulse. One of the most powerful aspects of ClickUp for financial transparency is its ability to generate real-time reports and custom dashboards. Gone are the days of waiting for weekly or monthly reports to understand project financial health. Custom dashboards. Finance teams can create dashboards tailored to their specific needs. Imagine a dashboard with widgets displaying project budget versus actuals, a real-time comparison of planned spending against actual expenditures for each project or even individual tasks. Burn rate, how quickly project funds are being consumed, providing early warnings of potential budget overruns. Invoices due/paid, a clear overview of outstanding and settled invoices related to the project. Resource utilization, visual representation of how team members' time is being allocated across projects, linking directly to labor costs. Profitability per project. For service-based businesses, this can be a crucial metric, displaying the current profitability of each client project. Reporting capabilities. ClickUp offers a variety of report types that can be filtered and customized to provide detailed insights into project finances. This includes reports on time tracking, essential for billing and payroll, task completion rates, indicating efficiency, and custom field data, like specific expense categories. These reports provide the granular data needed for in-depth financial analysis and informed decision-making. 4. Automation, enforcing financial protocols and reducing manual errors. Manual processes are prone to errors and can hinder transparency. ClickUp's automation features can be leveraged to embed financial protocols directly into the project workflow. Automated notifications. Set up automations to notify finance teams when a task moves to a payment required status, or when a task's actual cost exceeds its budgeted amount. Status changes based on financial actions. For example, a task could automatically move to approved for payment once an invoice is uploaded and tagged with finance approved in a custom field. Recurring tasks for financial milestones. Schedule recurring tasks for monthly budget reviews, quarterly financial reporting, or invoice reminders to ensure financial diligence is maintained.